Hey everyone! Did you know that Telegram is basically a goldmine for finding music, DJ sets, albums, and rare audio tracks that you can't easily find anywhere else? The only catch is that by default, the music plays right inside the app, and finding out how to actually save those tracks to your phone or computer's internal storage can be a little tricky. Well, you don't have to stream them online anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to download songs straight from Telegram so you can listen offline whenever you want. Let's jump right in. First up, let's look at downloading music files that are already uploaded directly into a chat or a music channel. Open up your Telegram app and find the track you want. When you look at an audio message or a music file, you'll usually see a small play button next to it. But before you tap play, look closely at the thumbnail or the corner of the message box. Sometimes there is a down arrow icon. Tap that first to download the file to Telegram's cache. Once the file is fully loaded, tap the three little dots right next to the track. From the menu that pops up, select Save to Downloads or Save to Music. Just like that, the song is pulled right out of Telegram and saved directly into your device's local music or downloads folder. You can also use the right mouse button, then select Download from the menu. It also downloads that file. But if it is a music video, click that video and tap the download button from the top menu bar to download that specific music video. Also, be careful when downloading audio files from unknown sources. Avoid opening suspicious files or links, especially if someone asks you to install additional software to access a song. And that's literally it. Whether you're grabbing tracks from a shared playlist channel or using a music bot, building your offline library has never been easier. If this quick guide helped you build out your playlist, smash that like button and let me know your favorite music bot down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.